Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros sauce without chocolate. First, gather your ingredients: milk, sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. This easy method ensures a smooth, flavorful sauce that perfectly complements your homemade churros. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up this delightful treat, making your churro experience even more special. Let's get started on this simple and satisfying recipe. To begin, measure out 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a small saucepan, whisk together the milk, sugar, and cornstarch until there are no lumps. This ensures a smooth base for your sauce. Make sure to mix thoroughly before heating to prevent any clumping later on. Now place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring continuously. It's crucial to keep stirring to prevent the mixture from sticking to the bottom and burning. Once it reaches a gentle simmer, reduce the heat to low. Keep stirring for about 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce thickens to a lovely, creamy consistency. It should coat the back of a spoon nicely. Once your sauce has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to add that wonderful aroma and flavor. Your delicious, non-chocolate churro sauce is now ready to be served. It's best enjoyed warm with freshly made churros. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.